This video is to show you how you can use your iPhone as a projector for your virtual learning sessions. I'll also link in my blog where I got this cool gadget that's holding my iPhone. Make sure you connect your iPhone to your laptop. So make sure you just use your USB or charger to do that. And then you want to turn your iPhone on, turn on your camera and turn it to the video, okay? Then you go over to your laptop, you open up your QuickTime Player application, and you want to go to File, New Movie Recording, and you want to make sure your iPhone name is selected. For some reason, my iPhone doesn't want to trust my laptop today, so I'm just gonna go over here and pause the video so I can let it trust my laptop, and then I'll pick back up. Okay, so now what you see here is you can actually see that my iPhone is now showing up on my laptop. Now the next step is you're probably wondering, well, how do I let my students see that? So I'm going to show you that now. So I've logged into my Zoom meeting, and this is not a real meeting, so there aren't any attendees. But now let's say I'm ready to share my screen with my students. So I could click on QuickTime Player Movie Recording because I still left that up on my laptop. Click Share, and now students can see what I want them to see. So maybe I'm working on something or I want to model for them. Now I can do that. Yay. Now they can see whatever I need them to see. And it just really enhances the entire virtual experience for your students. And no, they can't see this other stuff in the background because when I only selected to share this particular window. When I'm done sharing, I just click Stop Share and just continue on with the lesson. So hopefully that's helpful.